Hello all, I hope you're doing well. Uh, Welcome to the next lesson of ethical hacking. After you have installed the Kali Linux successfully on your VirtualBox or on your computer, uh, if you forget the root password, sometime you may forget the root password. Today we are working on how to recover or how to change the root password of your Kali Linux. First of all, reboot your Kali Linux, and after it's when it's coming up and press the below button, advanced option for Kali Linux. After that, come in Kali Linux recover mode and don't press enter, press the E button. When you press it, the E button, and with the scroll you can come down and find the Linux. Yes, here is the Linux. In here you can change the R to W. W. After command, after that, you can press enter. Yes, press enter, or you can type in continue. After that, you can type initiate equal slash bin slash bash. After that, by pressing F10, it will load. Let me press F10. Yes, your Cal Linux will be loaded. So you need to wait for a moment. Okay, when it loaded, you can press. Let me check it. Is it done, completed, or no? Yes, it is done. So let me bring arrow key down from here, this side, that you can see. In here, you can change the root password. Right, passwd. Yes, in here you can change the passw. Sorry, passwd root. Write the username root. In here you can type the new password. I'm typing. Re-enter the password. Yes, the password successfully updated. Now you can do reboot it. If it's not rebooting from here, you can reboot forcefully, or you can reboot from app menu of your virtual machine. Yes, from here you can continue exporting. Yes, and here let me type the password, like the username is root. Yes, my root password is successfully changed. So now I can start the typing of my comment in here. That's it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and follow us. Thank you. Thank you.